Construction workers with Leesburg-based Leware Construction Company began repairing the damaged concrete guardrail at the top of the Ocklawaha River Bridge on State Road 40 East Wednesday evening. The bridge's westbound lane will be closed for approximately 24 hours to repair a damaged cement railing from a recent car accident. According to safety manager Greg Bird, workers were working near the crest of the bridge, which measures about 72 feet above ground. They hope to have the bridge back open by 4 p.m. Thursday.